How to link PayPal or bank account in Z-Link. The first things first is of course access your Z-Link and make sure that you logged into your account. Then once you logged in, tap on your avatar, which is going to be located at the top right portion of your screen, and then scroll down till you find your account settings. Now take note that the PayPal payment method is not going to be visible unless you are fully verified your Z-Link account. To fully verify your Z-Link account, make sure that you add username. You will add the email address and your password. Email address is going to be the same as your PayPal account from here. So for you to add those and link those options, go to payment methods, and this is where you will be able to see PayPal and add a credit card. Now, if you'd like to add a bank account, just tap on add credit card and you'll have to enter your card details. For you to link your PayPal account, again, you'll have to fully verify your Z-Link for you to be able to have that payment method. So that's it. That's how you link your bank account or PayPal to Z-Link.